Welcome to our Artano NFT review. Today, we are diving deep into the Artano platform, exploring its features, how it works, and why it's becoming a popular choice among both artists and collectors in the digital space. Artano is a modern NFT marketplace where users can create, sell, and purchase unique digital artworks. Whether you're an artist looking to mint your first NFT or a collector eager to discover new art, Artano provides the tools you need to succeed. The website's interface is clean and user-friendly, making it easy to navigate for both newcomers and experienced users. Upon signing up, you can quickly connect your wallet and start exploring the wide range of NFTs listed on the platform. Artano's integration with various blockchains ensures that your transactions are both secure and efficient. Whether you're into Ethereum or other supported networks, Artano makes it simple to participate in the NFT ecosystem. Artists can easily mint their own digital creations by uploading artwork and setting up sales options. The minting process is straightforward and allows for customization, ensuring that each piece is uniquely represented. One standout feature is Artano's focus on offering a platform that supports a wide range of media, from traditional 2D art to animations and interactive pieces. Buyers, on the other hand, have access to a diverse selection of NFTs across various categories. Artano's discovery features, such as the trending page and artist showcases, make it easy to find new and exciting projects. Each NFT listing provides detailed information, including the artist's background, the history of the artwork, and other relevant metadata. This transparency adds value to each NFT, making it easier for buyers to make informed purchasing decisions. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. What truly sets Artano apart is its active and vibrant community. The platform encourages collaboration and interaction between artists, collectors, and enthusiasts. With features like comment sections, direct messaging, and profile customization, Artano fosters a sense of connection and engagement that many other platforms lack. Whether you're a digital artist looking to get noticed or a collector trying to expand your collection, Artano offers everything you need to succeed in the world of NFTs. If you're ready to explore Artano and see all the amazing features for yourself, make sure to check out the platform. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give us a thumbs up if you found this review helpful.